Hello, we're at 8303 Hollis Street. This is in Mount Airy. Zip code 19150. And my name is Mount Edwards. Nice for you, right guys? My name is Mount Edwards. My goal is to show as many homes as possible. I would like to help 100 families get into their homes because it's time to stop renting, guys. You can have this home for the same amount that you pay for rent. This is the backyard. Just imagine you and your family out here. Really nice, quiet neighborhood. You can have this. Let's stop renting. Let's stop giving all our funds to the landlord. This is the basement, guys. This property has a lot of room. And I will put the details in the description below. Good, nice and clean. I will put the details in the description. I work from Remax in Germantown. We're going upstairs now. This is the 3-bedroom. This is the back room. Plenty of closet space. Linen closet. Second room, plenty of space. Bathroom, plenty of closet space. Master suite bathroom. Plenty of closet space, as I said. And so guys, all the description will be in the description. Nice and cool. You have a central air. This is the front. That's beautiful, right? I'm gonna give you a picture of the front. Got chandeliers, 2 closets. No, that's the basement, I'm sorry. Closet, central air. I'm gonna give you a view of the front. In the view, or anybody you know are looking to purchase a home, contact me. I will help you get in there. Nice patio. This agent's listing is Bryant Turner, but I can help you. My name is Mount Edwards. I'm going to leave my name in the description. This could be you guys. Beautiful. Mount Airy home.